Hi, this is Derek Wilson. In this video I'm going to show you how to import data into Power BI Desktop. And when you do that, you're physically taking the data, loading it into the .pbix file. That's something that I find a lot of people that are new to Power BI may not understand. So in this case, I'm going to use the Get Data menu. And these are the most common data types that Power BI pre-populates that most people use. You can also click on the More button and explore the variety of other options that are out there. You can use Power BI datasets, data flows. If you're using Azure, they've got pre-built connectors for that. Other online services such as SharePoint, Salesforce, Google Analytics, lots of things that you can use. For our supermarket sales report, all of my data is in a CSV file. So I'm going to use text CSV, hit connect, and then go to the location that I have that on my desktop, supermarket sales CSV, hit open. It's going to connect to that spreadsheet, pull it up, and give me an option to show everything that I can see, all of the data that's out there, my delimiter. I'm happy with this at this point, so I'm just going to hit load. And again, at this point, it's pulling all of that information into my Power BI file. So as soon as this loads up, I can then click on, you can see over here, I've got the fields. I can click on this and see all of my data. So here's my data coming in, and that's how you import data into Power BI. In the next step, I'll show you how to manipulate this using some Power Query. Thanks.